In this video, I will show you how to add weather widget on your iPhone home screen. Before we start, if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now in the search bar at the top, enter weather. Now tap weather. Next, tap location. Under allow location access, tap while using the app or widgets option. Now go to your iPhone home screen and long press on the empty area, and all the app icons will start jiggling. Now we need to add widget to home screen. To do that, tap plus icon at the top left side. In the search widgets, enter weather. And here you will get different weather widget formats. You can choose from forecast with different sizes, details, daily forecast, or sunrise and sunset. Let's select forecast small widget. Now tap add widget button. If needed, grant access to your location. And widget will start showing weather from your location. So that is how you can add weather widget on iPhone home screen. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.